Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Hitachi Home. Should you buy the stock or should you avoid it? So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation, and people taking any position into any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Hitachi Home, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions on a daily basis. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts that I put up on short and medium term calls on different stocks. For detailed market or company talk or one-on-one discussion you want from me, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. Now about the company, Hitachi Home or Johnson Control Hitachi was formally established in 1910. It focused on providing white goods, primarily AC, as well as air purifiers, refrigerators, network systems, and chillers. So they are into different, you can say, products and not only air conditioners. Leader in commercial AC services, dedicated towards making top class AC of many types. The market cap of the company is around 7,000 crores. If you look at the numbers, and these are Q2 numbers that I have picked up, FY21 versus FY20, although Q3 numbers have come out, but the presentation was made earlier. Sales went down by around 18%. Profit, so the loss of 7.5 crores or around 8 crores became 25 crores. Absolutely no debt with the company, very little working capital debt is their return on equity of 15% and operating profit margin is of 9%. High promoter and institutional holding is there with 8% free float, which is a huge positive. Plus, this is one of the leading brands in the AC segment. So, high end, you can say ACs plus large refrigerators are their marquee products. So they sell larger, you can say, refrigerators than say other brands like Whirlpool, Blue Star, etc. Plus they have chillers and network systems. So those are the, you can say, domains in which Hitachi is doing particularly well from the past 4 or 5 quarters. If you look at the performance of the stock, then stock has given smart returns in the last 8 years. So if you go back, the stock was trading at 130, 150 rupees. It zoomed to 3000 rupees, so became a 20x in probably 8 9 years, and that is the kind of move that we look for in any small cap company. So a 350 crore market cap company became 7000 crore market cap or like that, or you can say a 450 crore market cap company became 9,000 crore market cap. Strong brand leadership in the AC segment. Management is top class and is doing well. It had fallen 45% in the March fall of the last year, so you have to recognize that. But then the recovery have come up very sharply. After a lot of consolidation, now it is moving higher. So it went from 2000 to 2200 for a longer period of time. It was consolidating, now is moving higher, and I believe that the numbers are set to improve as things have stabilized this time around. I think if you can just go back, so June and September was a washout for most of the AC companies, most of the summer stocks. I think they are going to come back with a vengeance. So this is one to look forward to. I think numbers for the June quarter as well as for the September quarters could be extremely strong. In my opinion, this is also a long term portfolio kind of a stock. Right now the valuations are very reasonable. It is becoming a consumer products play, so not only AC, as I mentioned, a number of other products are being sold by the company, and they are being marketed by the company. So not an AC brand anymore only. Market leader in the AC segment, and the market cap of the company is only around 7,000 crores. It is extremely less compared to the kind of business that it is doing. It can easily be 20 25,000 crores over the next 7 to 10 years. Easily in 6 7 years you can see that. I'm pretty confident about it. Remember that AC penetration here in India is extremely less. Plus electrification here in India is less, electricity 24 hours is less, which is improving day by day. So things are going to improve even further with solar panels coming in and many other things that are going to change the way we live over the next decade. I won't be surprised if AC penetration nearly becomes double or triple of what it is today, and hence the sales of AC companies and products would be even more. So have corrected from highs is at reasonable valuations. If somebody has a good 5, 7, 8 year horizon, can accumulate the stock and stay with it over the course of time, would give you much better returns. If you look at the technicals of the stock, then strong support is around the 2000 levels. Right now it is at 2400, yes, slightly stretched about. Short term support lies around 2360, which is around where it is currently. 2300 to 2360 is a strong support. Already ran up 40% since the fall of March 2020. I agree, but it has been a year since then. So we could see a major, you can say, reversal once summer set in all across India, and sales come in from March, April onwards. So I see in the next 6, 7 weeks the stock rising. So a good trading play it can be. It can easily reach to the previous highs of 3400. I won't, you can say, rule that out. Currently the stock is around 23, 2400. We can see easily 30% upside from here if things really go right. It is showing a major breakout at the moment. It is not consolidating but showing a breakout pattern. So in that regard, it can be bought with a 2100 stop loss, and you can look for 3000 on the stock in a few months time. So what needs to be done? In my opinion, buy for a long-term investment rather than buying for, say, 2 months, 3 months for one season. Let's buy it for 4, 5, 7 years, and you'll see the difference in these consumer durable companies. These companies will do well. There is high investments of HNI players. There's high investments of, you can say, fund houses, etc., and they are there for a reason. And we need to understand that on a macro level how AC things and things with regard to home improvement is going to show up over the next decade or so. So if you have a good 5, 7, 8 year time horizon, this will continue to perform much better. Maybe 1 or 2 years might not be that great. Might be you'll be not seeing the kind of surge that you would see in a long term. So have a good 5, 7 year time frame and you will get the results. It is a market leader in its space, so I'm not talking of any third rung or fourth rung company. And look for massive falls to accumulate. So time was at 2200 to buy. Probably you can buy some right now and then wait for some sort of a market decline to just add on to the stock. It is very hard to trade such stocks because the you can say the liquidity is extremely less. It is a kind of a illiquid stock, only 7,000 crore market cap company. So that is also a concern, but then that is why you need to invest for the long haul. It is a top long term buy. So this was my video on Hitachi Home. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.